decorating the scene using Z order. Right now our level looks very gamey. It is very clearly a computer game level and does not feel very lifelike, seeing as the only objects in it are clearly platform designed to be jumped on. To change this, we need to add some decoration to make the world feel like living, breathing place. So we will have to add a few details. So it will look like a living, breathing place. To do that, you first need to create some elements that you can use for decoration. I have created a tree and a bush. Note that both of these images are PNG files and have transparency around the edge. I did this using the free image editing software GIMP, and we will discuss how you can do the same in more detail in this chapter. So basically, this GIMP is a image editing software, so you can use this. For now, you want to add these into your game as you have done several times before. Put them in your sprites folder. Make sure to change the pixel per unit and make it your game object. Group them under the empty game object called plants. So we are creating plants here. You may want to create prefabs again too, although this is much less important on this occasion as they will all going to look and behave a little differently anyway. Now scatter your plants and trees around the world a little. You can feel free to mix up the size, and it is not important to stick within the grid. In fact, it is good thing to make the positioning look a little random because that will appear more natural. Remove some of the game aesthetics. Try playing the game now, and you will find that when you walk past the bushes and trees, you might go in front of them or behind them. In fact, you might even flicker in and out of view if you have older version of Unity. So we can try playing the game. So we will notice that we are going through the bushes. The problem is that two things are being drawn in the same place and you have not defined which should go on top. To fix this, you need to change Z order, which you do in the inspector by changing the option called order in layer. So order in layer is an option in inspector which we need to use. If you make the number lower, that means the object will be drawn earlier behind the other elements. Likewise, if you make the number higher, that means it will be drawn at the end on top of everything else. My recommendation is to make some of the bushes and trees appear behind squarey. Set them to -1 and make some appear in front of the squarey. Set them to 1. This creates an interesting effect where he appears to be walking through thick foliage. Though it is important as you build the game to ensure that this does not become confusing to the player. Likewise, you also need to try and avoid making things confusing for myself. My recommendation is to keep your player as 0 and to use this as your reference point. I also recommend making sure that the tiles will stay in front unless you specifically intend to add decorations to them. You can add as many details like this as you like. Personally, I feel that these little touches make huge differences. So adding these little touches to your game, it makes a huge difference in your game. I recommend getting a bit creative and seeing what you come up with. And of course, now that we are able to add different layers, that means it is time to add in a backdrop, which will make a big difference to aesthetic. I have drawn a cloudy sky and make it fairly large so that it can cover the space with no dark borders around the edge.